video I had taught you explain what is discount, what are the types of discounts, and how it will be calculated. In this video I will try to further go for this topic, and first question I will try to explain pass the journal entry in the following transaction and pass the necessary journal following entry in the book of Mahesh. Two questions are there and we will make the journal entry of these. Let's start. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. Okay. Journal entry. First write the heading, journal entry, to whom books we are making journal entry. For the following transaction. इसके वही खाते में लिख रहे हैं, पहले ये हेडिंग डालिए ऊपर में. Next you make the format of how the journal entries are made. First date, दिनांक, डेट कॉलम. नेक्स्ट इज पर्टिकुलर कॉलम, विवरण इसको कहते हैं. लेजर फोलियो नंबर, अमाउंट कॉलम, again amount column. Here the debits amounts are written. Here in this column credit amounts well. DR I had written for debit and CR I had written in short form the credit is written. Now let's start how we will make the journal entry. For the first transaction, look, purchase goods from Ramesh Rohan of the listed price of rupees 50,000 at the 10% TD. Means here the transaction is going on and no word cash is written in this sentence. इस वाक्य में कहीं पे भी कैश का या नकदी का जिक्र नहीं किया गया है, तो इसका मतलब है कि ये जो लेन देन हुआ है, जो खरीदे और क्रय किया है रोहन से है, वॉट एवर वी परचेज फ्रॉम द रोहन, इट इज ऑन द क्रेडिट बेसिस बिकॉज नो वर्ड कैश इज मेंशन इन दिस सेंटेंस. तो here the purchase and Rohan are the two between the transaction has been done. We have purchased the goods from the Rohan. The two person, who are two person, दो person हम हैं और रोहन है. पर क्या हुआ दोनों के बीच में, हम लोगों ने क्रय खरीदा, क्रय किया. परचेज एंड रोहन. परचेज कम अंडर द नॉमिनल अकाउंट and it is under the expenses or revenue. It is the expenses. Whenever the expenses it is debited, means first you write the account debited to from whom we are purchasing to Rohan. Whatever the it is a personal account. Rohan is a personal account. What credit first we debited, next whenever the transaction are done, there are the two aspects. One is debit and second is the credit. Debit we have written already, and for the credit Rohan from whom we are purchasing on credit basis, and the personal account rule is whatever the receive is debited and whatever the giver is the Rohan is the creditor. So how much amount we will write? Let us calculate how we will calculate the purchase. First point, right? Here the 50,000 purchase minus TD. How will TD calculated? 50,000 of 10% means 5,000. 50,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 45,000. Means in the debit column and the credit column we write the same amount, 45,000. Write the narration here. Me goods purchase from Rohan at 10% TD. Next question. Look, return the whatever the above we purchased in the first one. Second one we are returning it goods of rupees 2000 because of some defect, we find defect in the good and we have returned the goods. How we will purchase return? We will calculate purchase return will be calculated again the same way the above we have calculated. 2000 minus TD, 2000 of 10%, 200, 2000 minus 200, 1800 will be the purchase return. Now purchase return is what type of account? It is again a nominal account and Rohan is a personal account. Now purchase return is a nominal account and it is a revenue. Okay, then here the Rohan account debited to purchase return. At what amount it will be? 1800. Both the column mention the 1800. Here write the narration also. Being goods return to Rohan of listed price 2000. Third one. Next, cash paid to Rohan 45,000 in footer. Whatever above two we have purchased and returned. Here we are done the transaction above two on the credit, and the third one we are paying the Rohan at 45,000. How we make the transaction? Cash and Rohan are here. The transactions are done. Now how to write? Rohan is a personal account. Whatever we receive, debit it. Cash is debited. Cash is real account and debit what come in. Rohan a cash account is debited to from whom we are receiving? From Rohan. And here 45,000 return, and here we get 45,000 and here 43,000. The difference is here, and that difference is the discount. And how is the discount we will calculate? We are paying the cash. When we are paying the cash, it means we are receiving the discount. Discount received is again expense revenue. Then write it credit column, discount received. Now how we will calculate the amount here? Purchase how much it is? 50,000 minus 5,000. Above I already mentioned it. 45,000. 45,000 minus purchase return. How much purchase return is? 1800 minus it. In the last classes I had taught that how the return will be treated when on the trade discount. मैंने लास्ट क्लास में बताया कि किस तरह से उसको करना है. 4 में 3 2. This will be the amount. Here how much discount? Here we are 43,200 we have to pay, but instead of that we are paying only 43,000. It means the 200 is the डिस्काउंट. हमने 43,000 ही पे किया है, जबकि हमको पे करना था 43,200. तो 200 रुपये कम हमने तो पे किया है, तो 200 रुपये के हमने डिस्काउंट रिसीव किया. वेरी राइट द डिस्काउंट 200. हाउ मच वी आर पेइंग? 43,000. here 43,200. being, write the narration also. being cash paid to Rohan after deducting TD and purchase return from the listed price. Listed price. Now make the grand total of it. calculate it and write the here the total. Okay. Now I will try to explain the second question. Okay. तो स्टार्ट करें क्वेश्चन. महेश ने 25,000 में बिजनेस को स्टार्ट किया है और here the Mahesh is starting the business. Business is getting the cash and Mahesh is going out. Instead of Mahesh, you have to write the cash here, capital. Sorry. So here business is getting the cash. Cash account debited. Cash is the, what is the rule? Cash is a, what is the type of account? Cash is a real account. Real account, whatever coming, debited to Mahesh. You have to write here, but instead of Mahesh, you are writing the capital here. Me. Now write the narration letter. Now how much it will be amount? Debit 25,000. Credit also 25,000. Write the narration यहाँ पे. Means business started with rupees 25,000. Okay. Now the second. He ordered the supplier. Order का कोई एंट्री नहीं पास होता है क्योंकि इसमें ना परचेज वर्ड शुड बी रिटर्न मेंशन और सेल्स वर्ड शुड बी रिटर्न. ट्रांजेक्शन तभी माना जाएगा लेन देन तब जब उसमें क्रय या विक्रय किया हो. उसने ना क्रय किया ना विक्रय किया. लुक, अगर ध्यान से देखोगे सेकंड वाला तो इसमें ना कुछ क्रय कर रहा है, ना ही इज परचेजिंग, नॉट ही इज सेलिंग. ही इज मियरली गिविंग द ऑर्डर. नो एंट्री इज मेड मियरली फॉर द ऑर्डर. नो एंट्री made for merely order. Third, now having here we are purchasing the goods. Purchase after DD. Purchase after TD, calculate 5,000 minus TD. 5,000 of 10%. Minus 500, 4,500. Here we are purchasing from the A. A से खरीद रहा है लिखा हुआ है, साफ साफ लिखा होगा A से. लुक, सेंटेंस को आप बार बार पढ़िएगा तो ही समझ में आएगा, अदरवाइज you will not understand. Here the we are purchasing goods from A. इसकी कीमत थी, लिस्टेड प्राइस थी 5,000. नो गॉट कैश इज मेंशन. इट मीन्स वी हैव परचेज ऑन द क्रेडिट. क्रेडिट में जब उधारी में खरीदे हैं तो परचेज अकाउंट विल बी द will debited from to A is a personal account and personal account is whatever the giver is the credited. How much amount it will be? It will be 4,500. We have calculated here. Fourth one, sold goods to here. We are selling the goods to Harihar not on the cash basis. तो हरियर पर्सनल अकाउंट whatever we receive, receiver is the हरियर account is debited to sale. Here you have to write the narration. I forget. Being goods purchase from A. Here being goods sold to Harihar at 10% TD. Now second calculator, sale after TD 2,000 minus TD. 2,000 of 10%, 800, 200, 1,800 it will be. Now again write the same amount in debit column and credit column. 1,800. Fifth one, purchase good from Nilkamal. Again we are purchasing the goods from Nilkamal on both the bases. इसमें नकदी और उधारी दोनों में ही पेज खरीद रहे हैं हम लोग हैं. क्रय कर रहे हैं नीलकमल से है, उधारी में भी खरीद रहे उससे है, कुछ नकदी में भी पैसे दिए हैं और कुछ उधारी में. नकदी में कितना दिए? हाउ मच वी पेड ऑन द कैश? 80% एंड ऑन credit whatever the it left means 20% it is on the credit basis. How we will calculate? नीलकमल से हमने परचेज कितने में किया आफ्टर टीडी 12,000. आफ्टर टीडी हाउ मच इट विल बी 12,000 का 10% 1200. Deduct the TD from the purchase, it will be 10,800. Now again we are इतने में हमने उसने खरीदा. TD मतलब देखो ध्यान दो, परचेज कितने का था, लिस्टेड प्राइस 12,000 था. 12,000 में हमने TD को माइनस कर दिया तो 10,800 में हमने उसको खरीदा. जो इसमें हमने उधारी में भी खरीदा इस अमाउंट को और इसको नकदी में भी खरीदा है. तो हाउ वी आर गेटिंग द TD purchase after TD 10,800. Now out of this we are paying the some amount in cash and some amount on credit. इसमें से कुछ नकदी कुछ उधारी. तो how much we are paying in the cash 80%. Calculate the 80% cash. Purchase cash purchase कितना हुआ 80% इसका इतना हुआ. ओके. नाउ अगेन हियर द आफ्टर कैश में जब हम परचेज कर रहे हैं, व्हेन वी आर परचेजिंग देन ओनली वी आर गिविंग द और रिसीविंग द कैश डिस्काउंट. जब हम क्रैम करते हैं या सेल करते हैं नकदी में तभी हम सेल कैश डिस्काउंट और देते हैं. तो हाउ विल कैश डिस्काउंट हाउ विल कैलकुलेट, हाउ मच परसेंट 3%. Here the discount. Now write the, how we will write purchase account debit to नीलकमल. नीलकमल से उधारी में खरीदा, ये नीलकमल की उधारी की एंट्री हो गई. परचेज टू नीलकमल. कैश भी also purchasing on cash basis. Now discount also we will write what we discount receiving or discount allowing. Purchase value purchase here. Credit purchase and the cash purchase along with the discounts, the entry will be passed. Now how we will make the, here the calculation I have done. Look how much purchase 10,800 from Nilkamal. We have purchased 10,800. How much we are paying in cash? Cash we are paying 8,640. And how much we are getting the discount 259 rupees 40 paisa. Okay. Now how much the credit we are, उधारी में कितना रहा नीलकमल के पास हमारा, तो ये देखिए 259 plus 40 plus 8640 means 998840 minus 8899 8899 minus it 60009 1960 paisa. Now write the narration B. Goods purchased from Nilkamal on cash basis. Cash discount how much? Cash discount is 3% and TD 10%. Okay. Now for the physics transaction, here we are selling the goods to Sohan Lal on credit and also in cash. Credit उधारी और नकदी दोनों में बेचा जा रहा है. तो एंट्री how will make S Chauhan, cash sale also here, so cash will be debited. S Chauhan also will be debited because we are selling on credit. The credit when we are selling, we will write the name of the person from whom we are selling. Cash, discount allowed to sale account. Now I will calculate the amount. Here the listed price is 15,000. Sale after TD. 15,000 of 6% how will be 900. Deduct the 900, 14100, 14,100. From here you are getting the paying the 60%. So when we sold the goods to Chauhan, he is paying only 60% cash sale. This is the cash sale, and how much the cash discount? Calculate the cash discount. 1% is giving the cash. When we sell the S Chauhan, जब S Chauhan को बेचे तो हमने उसे 1% कैश डिस्काउंट भी दिया, तो 84 rupees 60 paisa is the cash discount. Now in the column of debit and credit, how much we are selling? We are selling 14,100. Discount allowed how much? 84.60 paisa. And how much cash sale? 8460. Now add these two, debit column and minus with the credit column. 1400 this is, and 8460, 84 rupees 60 paisa. Add minus it from 14100, 4458.60, 0, 4, 5, 5, 5, 5,555 rupees. Write the relation. Dean goods sold to S Chauhan on credit and cash at the rate of 6% TD and 1% CD. Now make the grand total. Add the debit column, add the credit column. You will get 25,000 plus 4,500 plus 1,800 plus 10,800 plus 14100. Add 0, 0, 16 plus 5, 21, 22, 2 balance 9, 10, 14, 14 plus 6, 16, 1, 5. 56,200, and the same the debit and credit. If they are balanced, then it means the entry we had made the correctly amount we put. तो अगर थोड़ा सा भी इसमें कुछ डाउट है तो आप कमेंट्स के वाले में जरूर लिखिए. थैंक यू.